I did a thing. And I'm really excited. I got the Scooby Doo Glamlite collection. I was watching Scooby Doo on VHS tapes, which now half the population doesn't even know exist anymore. But there's 3 lipsticks, eyelashes. This is liquid eyeliner. The highlighter, this sold me on the entire collection, and I'm so excited to put it on. Then we have the Batscara, and then the 2 palettes. Let's get going. I'm so excited. Here's the highlighter. It shifts, and then just wait. I'm dying. It's so gorgeous. I have to use this one. It just... Ooh. So I'm just gonna... Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's do an eye look and then I'll be right back. Oh my god. Here is the glorious eye look with this palette. I am in love. I'm in love. Okay, let's move on to the liner. Here it is. This is waterproof and smudge proof, apparently. It is a felt tip liner. Let's get to it. I'm really bad at doing eyeliner on camera, so it's very black. Scooted you in very far. Okay, so as you can see, it didn't cover up all of the glitter on my eyelid, which is totally normal. So if you want to wear a test on this and want to see it without all this makeup, let me know. Now time for some lashes. These lashes are absolutely gorgeous. Look at these lashes. I could just fly away. I love them. Okay, on to lips. These are the 3 lips that we have. Here are the swatches. We've got Zoinks, Rutrow, and Jeepers. Hubby chose Zoinks, which is the first one, so let's line my lips. First off, my lips are super dry for my acne face wash, so let's go. Oh my. Okay, here's the finished look. I feel absolutely fucking beautiful. Excuse my language. But I feel so beautiful right now. But go to part 2 to see the rest of the lipsticks, the other palette, and the mascara. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.